Here for Tuesday tournament at Mermaid. It's snowing like crazy. Look at that. We got a winter storm. Crazy about boating, huh? Let's get it. Today is, what's the day? December 9th. Here at Mermaid again for the Tuesday tournament. We are bowling on a 40 feet Abbey Road. 24 mils of oil, 3-1. House shot. Challenge pattern. Should be fun. Stay tuned. We got a big snowstorm outside, so we'll see if anybody even show up. There's probably like 20 of us right now. 20 of us. Maybe not even 15. So we'll see how many people show up. Winter storm warning. How do you guys feel about this pattern tonight?
I'm gonna shoot
You're gonna shoot
800 series
800 series
with handicap.
With handicap. What are you, Johnny?
Probably average 189.
189.
Scratch.
It's about 800. How about you? What's the series tonight? What do you think about this pattern?
I'm going to say I'll shoot a 830.
830? What are you using?
What's that?
What are you using?
I am going to throw some pearls because I didn't bring any reactives.
Pro is our reactive.
I mean, solid. Sorry.
I'll cut that out.
No solid. Cut that out.
What's up?
So, what do you think about this pattern tonight?
It's gonna be pretty easy.
What are you bowling? What are you gonna play? Iron Pro?
Yep.
What'd you think your series is gonna be?
Like 750 scratch.
750 scratch? All right.
I'm probably gonna shoot about 900.
900?
Yep.
What are you playing? Your thing?
78U or Hyperdrive Pearl.
Hyperdrive Pearl. I think that ball's too much for this 40 feet.
We're gonna see.
All right. right, ready? Third game. Ooh. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it, hit it. Oh, got it. Woo. Nice. Woo. What was that?
Rip the box.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, whoa. What?
Yes! So let me practice on hello talk.
Oh.
This one divided for that.
It's that pin that's in the lane. Get your cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger cheese.
Oh, cheeseburger fries. Yep, got it. Ah, cheeseburger fries.
That's puzzle again.
Oh. The pin. Oh, pin over. I keep looking at it. Oh my god. I know.
You need at least a 3-bagger.
Nope. Yep.
I'll see you through too many times.
Why?
You need to go back over there.
10. Oh.
Oh, yeah!
Fall all the way.
Ah, you would have missed it anyway.
Should have hooked at it.
Should have hooked it. You would have missed it even if that pin was still there. See, that's what you need to do right there. Yeah, because it throws
133. Oh my god.
I'll make this one look good, Rich.
All right, do it. I mean, you're going out, so.
He says you're bond now. You made it look good.
That's shark for you too? Yeah. Max said it was shark. It's
yeah,
shark. It's shark.
Woo! Well, bowl is $7.75. So, not gonna make it to next round. We got a few people going. Key going?
I don't know yet.
What'd you say?
I'm feeling good. I didn't count it. I did it. But should be good. Should be good, baby.
All right, so we got Richard made it, Johnny made it, Key and Max.
Let's go. That's all we got. Not the flames are like a walleye.
Brooklyn. Woo!
Oh, is it 2020? I read my. It used to be all.
What?
I read my.
Oh no! Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you there.
all right, Max is on a 4-bagger here. Let's see if we get another one. There it is. Look it up. Woo! I'll take it.
That's a good ball, too.
Move. Asshole. See, you didn't move now, Max. You couldn't get straight.
Stand up.
Yeah. Or burger and surprise. Hit it. Oh, got it. They throw a cage in there.
Throwing it in.
Got it. Look it up. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Woo! Max at 226. Richard at 198. Good game, Richard. Good game, good game. All right, Richard and Max made to the semifinals.
My money's on them Gadu.
I'm like, what big guy? I was like, oh,
I was confused too. That's the Mexican guy.
Don't throw your thing for 300.
Woo! Got it. Woo. Oh, oh!
Man, that sounds like a 14-pounder too. Somebody check it.
Woo!
Oh no, push, push.
Got it. Woo! Look at that power. We got turkey. Hey. Hey, 300, I'll buy you an origin.
Already have one.
I'll buy you the EX.
Push! The only thing I'm good at.
There it is.
Straighter is greater!
Oh no! Pick it up.
Push!
Woo! Oh, get it! Oh! Front 5 for Max. Woo! Too easy. All right. Front 6 for Max. Let's get this. Continue on the road. Come on, front 6. Brooklyn. Oh!
Oh my God, it's so good!
Woo! Look a lot. Woo! Brooklyn. Woo! There it is. Look a lot. Money.
Dude, missed like 8 boards, man.
I know. 246. 246. What do you gotta say to your fans?
Identity's not trash.
Identity's not trash. Everybody go get identity. Oh man, Richard was doing so good, and then he started opening everything. Sure, move up. There it is. Good ball. Strike. No!
Come on.
Split.
Come on, let's go. Messenger, come back. Go.
Here it is.
Push.
Woo! Too easy. Too
Push.
No, 190. He was good.
Okay, sir.
Good bowling, guys.
92, 169. Max took second.
For throwing.